On August 28th, 2020, we lost our beloved Chadwick Boseman, aka Black Panther. For most of us, that loss was devastating. After his passing, it was revealed that prior to filming his movie 21 Bridges, starring an actress called Sienna Miller, Chadwick Boseman gave part of his salary in order to increase her pay. His contribution was made in order for her to continue working as a co-producer on the film. That sacrifice was trending on Twitter, and he was posthumously applauded for stepping in to do what most wouldn't, seeing that Sienna Miller is a subpar actress who more than likely deserved the salary she was being paid and could have chosen not to do the film. But this black man desired to rescue her and do what seems to come naturally to him. Fast forward to today, where it is reported that Chadwick Boseman died without a will, leaving his wife Taylor Simone Ledward without any financial protection, if you will. He was diagnosed with stage 3 cancer in 2016, which later advanced to stage 4. What is odd is that Boseman knew for years that he had terminal cancer, and yet he neglected to write a will while starring in several movies leading up to his untimely passing. According to the reports, he did, however, put some financial safeguards in place to protect his wife, where it is reported that she will be getting $1 million in personal assets and property. Taylor, however, has filed probate documents to be named as the administrator of Boseman's estate due to the fact that he did not leave a will, which again is strange, seeing that he had colon cancer for 4 years and knew it was terminal. Here's a quick history lesson about them. They started dating in 2015, they got engaged in 2019, and reportedly got married sometime in 2020. The court docs state that he died without a will and no children, so automatically one spouse should be inheriting all the assets of the probate estate. Although she is to gain $1 million, that is not the entire value of Boseman's estate, which is allegedly being held in private trusts. She also mentions in the court docs that Chadwick is survived by both of his parents, which leads me to wonder if they are contesting her being awarded what she has as a result of his passing. Why do you think that he didn't take the time out to prepare a will for his wife who was taking care of him? Was it because he figured that there would be no issue because there are no children or babies' moms in the picture, so he just assumed everything would be Irie? Now, I know some of you are going to say he was sick and he knew there would be no need to because of the fact that she is his wife. But is she? If the spouse automatically inherits all the assets, why is she filing for it? Because it seems it should be uncontested, being his wife and all. This is in no way to speak ill of the dead, and I admire this man like most of you do. But I'm going to call a thing a thing. This man made no provisions to ensure that his wife was taken care of, but he did make provisions to ensure that this melanin deficient woman was financially compensated by giving her half his salary on that movie. Now, in order for his wife to ensure that she is financially taken care of, she has to go to court to secure the finances, having had taken care of this man for all these years. Now, before you come for me in these comments, I just wanted to point out the juxtaposition that exists where he took care of Sienna Miller, but not his wife. And no, it's not all about money. It's about security that most women, like myself, require, especially if you're a man's wife. Ladies, let this serve as a cautionary tale to always put in place safeguards for yourself and your children, if you have any. And also take note of the difference between being someone's wife as opposed to their girlfriend, fiancé, baby's mother, or partner. Because when your husband dies, the last thing you want to do is to be in probate court fighting for his estate. We haven't heard of Vanessa Bryant doing that, now have we? We may say Wakanda forever, but Taylor may be saying probate court forever, because there was no will in place. I have one, and you should too. See, these are just my thoughts. Comment below yours, and remember to like, share, and stay tuned for more. And I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.